Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling an Oracle database error that might have frustrated you at some point. ORA-01722 invalid number. Let's break it down and fix it step by step. So you're writing a query, expecting smooth execution, and suddenly, boom, you get this error. ORA-01722 invalid number. Verify the column being converted. Double-check that the column you are trying to convert to a number actually contains valid numeric data. Oracle throws this error when you try to convert a varchar 2 to a number, but the value is not a valid number. Ensure that the value you are converting is actually a valid number and not a non-numeric string that Oracle cannot convert. In my case, hashed NA is the non-numeric value. Use proper conversions. If you're working with mixed data, use case to handle exceptions by replacing non-numeric values with 0. See here, non-numeric value is replaced with 0. Found this useful? Smash that like button, subscribe for more database fixes, and comment your toughest school errors below. See you in the next one. Happy querying.